Hey, Jilly, do you see eggs? Okay, come put it in your basket. Here's your basket. Put it in. Oh,
Smart girl.
Go get it, Jilly. Go get the eggs. Yay! Oh, oh. Jilly, Jilly. Now don't stop to eat the candy out. Come on, Jilly, let's find more. I knew I should have taken the candy out of these.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Jilly. Okay, put it in your basket. Let's go. Oh, God. Okay, Jilly, come on. Puka. Hi. Come on. All right.
Go, Jilly.
Come on, let's find more. Put it in here. Yep.